당번 내신 까마 굽주낭 로리야. 프란조기 호다 찍이래. Short of the is a secondary. Ko mixage 개첨부지 개말 teachini. angos dosondan ti yungore. 제자 잠블라 야닝 타번 투체는 쉐이. 페퍼 부글이야 mixage 기 고갑테니. 대산엘이야 티토바딜라 투체는 쉐이. Very good ball. Well caught by the Gangtok FC ki striker and midfield come striker mangbajidu 제자 딩에네 쇼바나신지레 에필 제초고 레텔레 칸다르 야니 yellow card 테나 제자 거기 red card 테브레 well blocked by the Gangtok team. Shivji Khonazuli ke chabu chag mare. Whereas Thunderbling FC should take the advantage of the left winger with the ball. It's a goal, direct goal from the striker. 1-0 in favor of Gangtok FC. The players celebrating with their teammates. Very good ball, could be dangerous, well estimated by the keeper. To 11 with the ball. Very good ball, cleared by the defender, and Kranzulaya, the corner is always an advantage for the team. Let's see how they will place the ball. Very good ball. A player Sugan Jimindu. Back to the defense. It's a counter pass. 11 tried his level pass to stretch his leg, but couldn't connect. The keeper caught it. Referee may whistle any time to indicate the end of the first half match. And here we hear the whistle from the referee's end. First half. Very good ball. 20 and 17 are players from Thunderbling FC. 20 is a very fast runner, playing as 17, coming in on 10's number. The captain is taking rest. 17 would play. It's a free kick in favor of Gangtok FC. More than 3 players are substituted. 4 went in. Number 9 with the ball, the striker. Very good ball. And the ball went in. It's a little misunderstanding between the defense and the keeper. It was actual a long range pass to the player, but somehow there was a misunderstanding between the defender and the keeper. That's why the ball went in. The goal difference is 2-0. Very good ball. Received well. And this is the third goal from Gangtok GFC, the jersey number 11. Very good combination shown by jersey number 9 and the 11. And they were able to score the third goal for the team with 10 numbers of player. Would take the free kick. Very good ball. Went straight. Very good hit. Captain. Chambala taking free kick. It's a very good ball. Keep the loop with the ball. Very good pass to the left winger. Left winger in. A very good ball, and somehow it's good pass to 11. 11 with the ball. 11 still with the ball. 11. It's a handball appeal by the player. The captain of the team. Referees last whistle of the match. Rukhani chalo ane chimope masibe ya bute so. DYS mongo rukhani parule ya dendu thamadi chadi yore. Dendu di goma jo khon le ya.